Hi there and welcome to this quick demo video for PAdemo. So I quickly want to dive in here and show you exactly how this works and how you can animate some of your images, okay? So we're going to get started. I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new animation real fast. I am going to choose my image that I want to animate and click on create. Now inside of the software here, basically what we can do is we can animate any of this that we want to animate. For example, I can make it look like the water is running down here. I can make it look like the clouds are moving and so forth. So let's go ahead and jump in here and I can show you exactly what that looks like. So I'm going to grab my animation points over here and all I really have to do is click where I want to animate. So for example, let's say that I wanted to animate these clouds, okay? So I'm just going to draw a few lines over here with my animation points to let the software know what I want to be animated. Now, the second option here, when I click on that, we have some animation settings where I can talk about how fast or how slow I want the animation to go. We also have some modes, and let's try infinity, for example, and I'm going to click on play. Now, when I play that obviously doesn't look very good at all, right? We got the guy, he's moving, the buildings are moving, and so forth. So what I need to do is add a mask around all this information here that I do not want to be animated. So I'm going to click on here. We're going to add a mask around these mountaintops here. And again, I'm just going to click and draw. And we're just going to kind of outline everything here. And let's go all the way up around this building here. Now, when I outline all of this with that red line, you'll see it turns red. So everything that's red right now will not be animated. And everything that's clear can be animated. So you'll see that I left the water alone and I left the clouds alone. And if you ever mess up, we can jump back in here and instead of masking it, we can go to part to animate and that kind of erases from the redness. So let's say I wanted to animate this right here. I just kind of highlight it, make a little circle, and that's going to be removed and now we can have that animated. So now if I click on play, we can see it's just the clouds moving and just the water moving. And the sky is looking pretty good over here. It's nice behind the mountains here, and it looks like the sky is actually moving. But my water over here, let's go ahead and fix the water a little bit real fast. We're going to come in here, we're going to grab our points again. This time we're going to drag them down a little bit over here and kind of have the water moving down. If I click on play, we can see that's starting to look a little bit different. And don't forget, we also have these different modes that we can choose from. So instead of infinity, maybe we try fusion and see what that looks like. And they all look a little bit different and do a little bit different things, okay? And that's basically the rundown of the software. You're able to upload these pictures and you are able to animate any part of the image that you want to, just like so. And when you are finished, you can simply click on File, export it right to your desktop in any file format that you would like to use.